Hi, David.
Hi! Today we're presenting Aircraft Shark Part 1. So you may think this is just a regular old boring shark, but no, it's a shark from Trevor Henderson, and it's not called shark. It's called Aircraft Shark. Now, Aircraft Shark is not just a shark that owns in the water. It's a shark that is in the air. Look, it can fly. Like an airplane. So a lot of airplanes have been disappearing by this guy. Look.
Whoa.
Like and subscribe right now or Aircraft Shark will eat you. Will you do it?
Yes, I'm doing it.
Okay. Good job. You wouldn't meet up with him. Bye-bye. Okay, so let's get into the story, okay? We'll move Aircraft Shark away because he hasn't shown up yet. Okay, so there's the people. Okay, so they're just walking. They've been walking a lot. Okay. Now this guy walks up. And look what's here.
Skeleton.
What happened? He says,
Some people die.
but why did it die? How did it die?
I don't know.
Does this mean that something has been going on right here?
Yeah? Monster?
I think not monster. What monster then? It could be all... There's so many monsters around. So what monster?
I don't know. What happens?
And when it drops on the people is scared, so they get away from it.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
And this guy says, ah! What is this?
Skeleton.
Some people die in the air. Why did the people die in the air?
I don't know.
Does this have to do something with this guy?
Hey, what is this?
Aircraft Shark.
Oh my god.
So he must have eaten the people right here. And it fell into a skeleton. And now this guy wants to eat the humans. Look.
Big mouth. Hey! Monster coming!
Ah!
Oh my god.
One people didn't make it. Nice. Okay, you got one.
One people die.
But now what about the rest? Ha! You can't catch me. Aha! You can't catch me. Uh-oh, this is a cliff. Do I have to jump down? I would die though.
I don't know. A monster coming.
Well, I guess I have to die.
Second die.
Aha! Why did you kill yourself? Okay, but now what about the rest of the people? If you're not saying. Ah! I'm gonna get you with a stick. Ah! If you wanna eat people, then eat this.
What is this?
A stick.
So monster cannot eat the people. You see? He cannot close the mouth.
Okay, now he fly away. Cannot break the stick. Are you crazy? Wait, I got rid of it. Yay.
Oh,
Now it's time to finish my victim. Where is the guy? I don't see him for so ah! 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 Ah!
oh my God. Third die.
It was supposed to be two Lego Man die. But why did he not think about it? Why did this guy just run off the cliff instead of running this side or this side? Why did he not think about it?
I don't know.
Yeah, he is not smart.
Yes. So, finally he died.
So now the people want to hide in like a small place that they wouldn't find them. But this guy is so slow. Ah! And here's what happens before. Ah! Ah! Up!
Oh my God. She
I'm-
hurt.
I'm okay. Now they hide with these guys. And now this shark cannot find them. Smell sensitive. There is the people. Wait. My mouth is too big.
So, they safe.
Grr! Why do they even have to hide to this tunnel? That makes no sense. I will come back.
Bye-bye.
But he said he will come back. So will the people die?
I don't know.
He's leaving now, so okay. Thanks for watching. And yeah, so click the like button and subscribe down below. Bye.